Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this card using the lovely canvas that is a classic rose and the fabulous dewdrops from the Robin Nest Creative website. Let's begin. So first, I have taken a card base, that is the white card base, and I have stuck a pink base cardstock over it. So first we'll design the canvas. So here I am using my lovely colors of the brush pens to color the canvas. I'm using a stamp for my sentiment. We are done with the card. I hope you enjoyed it. Do visit the Robin Nest Creative website for the lovely dewdrops and the canvas, the classic rose.